In this video, you're going to learn how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Here we are. First thing you want to do is open up your TikTok app. As you can see here, I went ahead and gone to my profile. So just tap into your profile there. And it's very simple to add one. What you'll want to do is tap on your username at the very top there. You should see a drop-down arrow. If you don't, just tap on the username there, and it will allow you to switch or add multiple accounts. You can have up to 5 on the same device. So what you're going to want to do is tap into Add Account. If you know your login information or already have multiple accounts, you can just go to Already Have an Account and go to Log In. And then once here, you're going to want to click the button that says Add Another Account. Tap into Add Another Account. And then what you'll do is you'll use whatever method you want to use to log into that secondary account. Once you've done that, you will have to go ahead and give TikTok your birthday. Now, if you are signing up for a new account, one thing that you have to know is that during this process of setting up a new account, you'll need to provide a different email address and phone number so it differentiates it from the already current account. So just create a phone number or an email address to make sure you have one, and that's going to allow you to continue setting up the other TikTok account to add to the same device. And then once you're done either signing up for your new account or logging into your other account, you now will be able to go to your profile and tap the drop-down menu there, and you should see all of your different accounts that you can switch between. Now, you will have to log in and confirm them with two-factor authentication, but you should be able just to tap into your multiple accounts here, and as you can see, the account has been switched. So it's as simple as tapping the username there, hitting the drop-down menu, and then finding that other account you want to log into, and there you go. You now have multiple accounts on the same device through TikTok. Now, there's going to be a pinned FAQ section in the first pinned comment of this video that will have many more details that might answer the questions or the trouble that you're running into. Hopefully this helped. If it did, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.